If we flash back to this time last year, heading into spring of 2022, we were on the cusp of an intense seller's market with skyrocketing buyer demand fueled by historically low interest rates. So our year-over-year comparisons are going to look extreme. This is because heading into spring this year looks entirely different. Continued low inventory is butting heads with a decreased buyer demand and decreased purchasing power, thanks to increasing interest rates, which we're all aware of. We're well into March, which means February numbers have been tabulated. I pull all my stats from Georgia MLS, Gwinnett, Hall, Forsyth, and North Fulton counties, so we can look at year-over-year trends impacting our housing market. When we look at our year-over-year statistics, it's so interesting to me that the year-over-year comparison in February is very little difference in our average sales price. However, when you look at the number of new listings hitting the market, there's a pretty big drop from 2022 to 2023, over 16%. And then, to make it more confusing, the number of active listings is way higher, over 30% higher. You know, the pendings are down significantly, minus 18%, and number closed year over year, over 15% fewer. What does that tell me? It tells me our days on market are significantly higher. Look at that, double what it was in 2022. So, you know, we've got stuff going on, but there's definitely not the same market we were in a year ago. Now, checking it out from month over month just to see what the stats are like, we have a slight increase from January to February on our sales price, a slight decrease in number of new listings hitting the market, a higher number, over 9% of the actives being reduced. Pendings are starting to creep up a little bit. Closings, look at that, from January to February, what a whopping increase of 37%. You know, I gotta say, here in the Atlanta market, January was not only seasonally low, it was especially low. We had a slow start to 2023, and our average days on market from one month to the next has improved a little bit. It's gone down from 61 days in January to 54. So there's movement going on. I think there's a lot of uncertainty about interest rates, some things in the economy, but still people are making sales and purchases. This month's data shows us that buyers and sellers are evenly matched in the housing market. On one hand, we see a continued increase in active listings, meaning sellers continue to choose to put their homes on the market. On the other hand, we see the average listing price up month over month and flat year over year, meaning buyers continue to be active in the market. Still, most indicators are down year over year in comparison to the frenzy that was spring of 2022. What is uncertain is how long the market will hover in this particular spot with low inventory and cautious buyers. While uncertainty is shaping the market at this point in time, life always moves forward. No matter the market conditions, life's changes will always drive activity in the housing market. Your family grows with a new little one and you need more space. Or the opposite, your kids move away to college and you need to downsize. You change jobs and need to relocate. Life continues to happen and housing needs change with it. If you find yourself in that spot, needing to make a move, it's important to have a trusted real estate advisor on your side to help navigate the market and be an advocate for your real estate goals. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so I can continue bringing you real estate resources. I'm Cindy Bunch with the Bunch team at Keller Williams, and we want to set you up for home buying and selling success.